I'm Lise Saffran. I'm the director of the Master of Public Health program at the University of Missouri. Yes, psychologists recognize two different kinds of empathy. The first kind is affective empathy, and that really involves feeling what someone else is feeling, not just recognizing what they're feeling, but actually experiencing it yourself. Cognitive empathy, on the other hand, involves more of your analytic processing system, so it might be recognizing why someone would feel the way that they do and that you might actually feel the way they feel in a similar situation, but not experiencing the feelings yourself. Well, in the creative writing exercises that we use to increase empathy, we have students and practitioners imagine a character engaging in an unsympathetic health behavior. So we begin intentionally with a great empathetic distance, somebody who seems very different from you. And then we have them engage in a process of imagining the inner life of that character. And as they do so, they begin to see similarities between even someone whose behavior they can't understand and themselves. So I teach a class in storytelling and public health and public policy, and so we will usually do a creative writing exercise and an imaginary exercise in that class. I've also, for the last few years, been doing a creative writing class exercise in the capstone class for public health, because capstone students, their charge is to develop a program that promotes health in a community. And it's very helpful to have them engaging their imaginations in reviewing why people behave as they do before they plan their intervention. Well, public health is about determining what should be done to promote health. And it involves not just determining who is at risk for certain health conditions, but what kinds of programs will be effective. And Americans tend to overestimate the importance of individual traits and behaviors and underestimate contextual factors. So the circumstances in which we live, work, and play, and what the impact of those is on our behaviors. And so exercises, creative writing exercises, arts exercises that allow people to empathize with other people's behavior allow us to take more seriously and give due credit to contextual impacts and to contextual influences on behavior. Oh, Saturday morning science was a lot of fun. It's a very diverse crowd. There are young people and older people, and everyone was very engaged, and there were a lot of really good questions. I certainly would recommend Saturday morning science to my colleagues.